Welcome to the Unity tutorial. Unity is such a powerful software through which you can design or develop your own game or any environmental scenes. Today, we present the usage of basic tools of Unity. For that, we take an example of virtual island. Now, we are going to execute our Unity project. The whole portion you are seeing is called terrain, which you can get by selecting terrain on the toolbar and then clicking on the create terrain option. Now, when character moves forward, it sees grasses on the island floor, which is the grass texture, and you can easily get it from here. Now, get it by selecting brush icon, then edit texture, add texture, then pop-up will appear and you select the select button and then you select the desired grass option. Now, as we move forward, our character sees different kinds of trees which you can add on your terrain just like we added grasses. You can also change the setting of trees like brush sizes, tree density, height of the tree and color variation. As character going deep inside the island, it sees big mountain. Mountain can be made through by selecting this icon and keep pressing the left button of the mouse and then move your cursor on terrain. You will get any shape of mountain you want. You can also smooth the edge of the mountain by selecting this button. Now character move forwards, it sees some small grassy bumps which we added to make our design attractive. When we move forward, there is a pond in the middle of island. We are moving towards the island, towards the pond. And we added this water on our terrain by expanding standard assets. So click on assets, expand standard assets and then expand water basic folder. Now drag and drop daylight on your terrain. Now you can watch a fish inside the pond. Yeah, you can watch the fish. We imported this fish model from Google SketchUp and we did animation for its motion, that is up and down. Now we are moving towards hut. We added interactivity to our hut, that is opening and closing of the door. When character goes near the mountain, it sees a hut with its door closed. We imported this hut model. We took a cube and gave it a shape of door and we applied script for its opening and closing. Now I am going to open the door and our character can easily move inside the hut. It is our hut model which we imported from Google SketchUp. Now after coming out from home, character sees the water emission. We are moving towards some height so that we would be easily able to see the waterfall which we added to our interactive environment. Character sees the water emission from mountains. It looks like waterfall. It can be added by expanding standard assets. Okay, at the end, we adding the chirping of birds audio. User can enable or disable it. Now this is the chirping of birds and now we are going to end our video. Thank you for watching.